Imagine the possibilities in life. Learning experiences are like journeys. If you had discovered early on what ignites your passion for learning, how would your journey be different? The Corvallis School Foundation provides funding to enrich education, fill unmet needs, and provide enriching learning experiences. Our goal is to provide our teachers the tools and resources to innovate and inspire in their classroom and open doors to opportunities that shape a student's journey to adulthood. Foundation funding supports numerous programs from science, technology, and language arts to innovative classroom projects and performing arts that allow all Corvallis students to learn, grow, and gain valuable life skills. Today's students will design, innovate, and create a better world for us to share. A gift from you or your business is an investment in our future.